Alright guys, sorry about the big delay. I had some things come up. We're going to go ahead and get this platinum broke. Real quickly, we're going to run the random for the, oops, sorry about all this stuff. We're going to run the random for the Bowman Platinum big box and blaster. As you can see, here are all the teams highlighted. I'll go down here and I'll type live. And I will go to the giveaway. There we go. Those are all of our teams. I did leave the house. The reason why I left the house is because it was not closed. However, if we hit a Ohtani, no, I think we're good. All right, so 2 dies. Oh, wait, I didn't write down here. This is platinum. There we go. 2 dice, anything 6 or higher. First roll is a 3. We'll roll it again. Second roll is a 5. We'll roll it again. Third roll is a 6. So there we go. We'll go with 6. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one up top wins. Time is 3:23. 3:23. Let's go. It did go to the house, and I apparently left the random on there. Oops. So I'm going to be nice, and we're going to just give it to Mark because I left the random in there. That is my mistake. Sorry, guys, for leaving that. I'm just trying to get this done. So, Mark, you are the first person on the list. You're going to get the Angels. Good luck, sir. Over here, type done. First name on list wins. Angels. There we go. All right. Thanks, everybody. We're going to break. I'll see you guys soon.